हरिः ओम्। अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे। हरिः ओम्। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। So, we were at Pratima Gruha. Bharata is also there. So, let us see what he sees there and what we come to know from his mouth. But when Bharata is entering Ayodhya Nagaram, he is stopped on the outskirts of Ayodhya. A bhatta comes there and tells him that this is not a proper time to enter, just wait for some time. Ekanadika avashesha kruttika vishaya. So, tasmat pratipannayam eva rohinyam, when Rohini sets in, that time you enter. So, he thinks this is okay. And more than that, he says himself, I have never transgressed my Guru's vachana. I have never done this. So, he agrees, Guru vachanam atikranta purvam na maya. So, he says, okay, you go, we will wait. And then Bhatta goes there, away, and Bharata tells his charioteer Suta that where shall we take rest? And then suddenly he observes, Bhavatu drishtam etasmin vrukshantara vishkrute devakule muhurtam vishramishe tad ubhayam bhavishyati daivata puja vishramascha. Fine. So, athacha upavishya praveshtyani upavishya praveshtavyani nagarani iti samudacharaha. We have seen this last time, so we will go ahead. Bharata tells Suta, ekante vishramaya ashvan. He is worried about Ashwa also. His nature is like that. He cares for everybody. He cares for everybody. That is the way they are brought up. They are Rajaputras, and they have, all the Rajaputras, they have similar samskara on them. So, he also is concerned about Ashwa. Then Suta goes away and Bharata says, Kinchit gatva avalokya. He goes a bit inside and says, Sadhu mukta pushpa laja avishkrita balayaha. What he says? Mukta pushpa laja vishkruta balayaha datta chandana panchangulaha bhittayaha avasakta malya dama shobhini dwarani prakirnaha vadukaha. Whatever Sudhakara has done, all that has been observed by Bharata, and he describes those datta chandana, panchangulaha bhittayaha. He shows those panchangulaha on the walls, and then those garlands hanging over the doors, and they look so beautiful. And Prakirna Valuka, that also he notices. That Valuka, the sand has been spread all over for Pada Sukhartham. Kim nu khalu parvano ayam visheshaha. He says, Kim nu khalu parvanaha ayam visheshaha. He doesn't, he thinks all this preparation to him looks like, some ceremony is going on. Some ceremony is going on, or some samarambha, or some vidhi, some yajna, something must be there, some samarambha, and that is why all this has been done. Yes, there is samarambha. There is something special is going to happen there. What is that special? We will see. Kim nu khalu parvano ayam parvani bhavaha parvanaha. Parvani bhavaha parvanaha. Ayam visheshaha parvanaha. Athava, otherwise, annikam astikyam. Annikam, that is ahani pratidinam. Every day, annikam is pratidinam kriyamanam. Astikyam is karma. Is it done every day? Annikam, astikyam. And then he says, Kasyano khalu daivatasya sthanam bhavishyati. Now, who must be daivata inside this Devakula? Whose sthana it is? Which is the devata who is inside? For that, this all preparation has been done. He looks here and he says, oh, no iha kinchit praharanam dvaja va bahishchinnam drushyate. Now he says, praharana shakti. Outside every temple, if it is Shiva's temple, you see, a trishula over on top of Devalaya, or some dhvaja, kalasha, something like that, chinna or praharana you see on the temple. And you realize, oh, there is trishula on that mandira, that means it must be Shiva's temple. Let us go and salute Shiva. So he looks for some chinna over the temple. Praharana shakti yatha kartikeyasya. Dhvaja yatha chandikaya. Over Chandika's temple, there is always a dhvaja. Then bahishchinnam na iha drushyate. Outside chinna, outside there is no chinna of any is seen. Bhavatu pravishya jnase. If you can't follow, if you do not understand from outside, let us enter the Devakula, and after entering, we will come to know whose is the Devata. Pravishya avalokya. He enters Devakula and he sees, and immediately he notices, Aho kriya madhuryam pashananam. Aho means it is, he is he is surprised, and he is appreciating also that pashananam kriya madhurya. Now here, this pashanas, they are sculptures, of manushas, not of daivata. They were not daivata, but he didn't realize that. He, after entering immediately, those pratimas he saw. And so he says, Aho kriya madhuryam pashananam. So well they are sculptures. Aho bhavagatihi akrutinam. The akruti bhavagatihi. Those pashana murtis, they are exhibiting, they are expressing so much, emotions on their faces, as if they are live. दैवत उद्दिष्टानामपि मानुषविश्वासताम् आसां प्रतिमानाम्. Even though they are daivata, but they don't, their manusha vishwasatam. The Shilpa Saushtava is so beautiful that manusha vishwasatam, manushata pratitvam, they appear as if they are manushya, manava. They are manushya. These are manushyanam akruti, not daivatanam. Because they are expressing their emotions on their faces. So, such a beautiful is their Shilpa Saushthavam, Kriya Madhuryam. Stoma. Kimnu khalu Chaturdevato ayam stomaha. Stoma means Sangha. There are 4 akrutis. So he wonders, Kim nu khalu Chaturdevato ayam stomaha. Who should be these all 4 daivatas? Athava yanitani bhavatu. Now he stopped thinking about it. Let them be devata, let them be manushya, let them bhavatu. Yani athava yanitani bhavantu. Whoever they are, Astitavan me manasi praharshaha. This is the suggestion by Bhasa. After seeing those pratimas of Manushyanam, those Manushya's pratimas, when he sees, he develops manasi praharshaha. He feels very, very happy. Was there any bond between them which made Bharata so happy? Must be. Otherwise, he must have seen so many Shilpas. Did he develop the same reaction in his mind when he saw them? Now he is developed very harsha, praharsha. Pra with pra upasarga, it seems prakarsha of harsha. That is praharsha. And he says, Kamam daivatam ityeva yuktam namayitum shiraha. Varshalastu pranamaha syat amantrarchita daivataha. He feels Kamam daivatam iti eva yuktam namayitum shiraha. Daivatam iti eva shiraha namayitum kamam. That means yuktam. Tu kintu pranamaha vrushalasya ayam, that is varshalaha shudra krutaha iva syat. Because just pranama is like varshala, like shudra, because they are not supposed to recite mantras. Mantras were recited by Brahmanas. Shudras were not allowed to recite mantra. So without mantras, if I bow down before these daivata, it will be like a shudra kruta pranama without mantra. Yataha mantraihi mantra patana पूर्वम अर्चितम दैवतम यस्मिन तादृशः न भवति इति अमंत्र अर्चित दैवतः. अमंत्रार्चित दैवतः. देववत्वात् निश्चयात् समंत्रकः न कर्तव्यः इत्याशयः. If they are daivatas, then pranama must be offered with mantra. So he is just thinking about offering pranama. Devakulika, the caretaker of that देवगृह रक्षक देवकुलिकः enters and he says भोः नैत्यकावसान. No, he says bhoho. That means he doesn't talk to them. He just enters and sees Bharata near those pratimas. And he says bhoho नैत्यकावसान प्राणिधर्म अनुष्ठित तिष्ठति मयि को नु खलु अयम आसाम प्रतिमानाम अल्पांतराकृतिः इव प्रतिमागृहं प्रविष्टः. Here again is the suggestion by Bhasa. You know what he means? He says, Naityasya, that is Nitya Karmanaha, Avasane Naityakavasane. Nitya Karmanaha Avasane Ante, that means Nitya Karmani, which are his Nitya Karmani, Puja Adini कृत्वा इत्यर्थः. नैत्यक अवसाने प्राणिधर्मोन्न सेवन प्राणिधर्म अनुतिष्ठति. दैट प्राणिधर्म इज अन्न सेवनादिः तम अनुतिष्ठति. मे बी ही वाज हैविंग हिज लंच. अनुतिष्ठति कुर्वति मयि को नु खलु अयम आसाम अल्पांतराकृतिः. को नु खलु आसाम प्रतिमानाम अल्पांतरा आकृतिः इव. अल्पांतरा आकृतिः इव. अल्प मीन्स स्तोकम, अंतरम यस्याः सा अल्पांतरा. सदृशप्राया आकृतिः यस्य. As soon as he sees Bharata, he feels that Bharata looks like these pratimas. There is little bit difference, alpa, stoka, little difference, antara, between the akrutis and Bharata. Who is this? Who this must be? Bhavatu, pravishya jnase. Bharata had this problem. Bharata said whether it is Devalaya, then Bahishchinnas are not seen. Pravishya jnase. Let us enter and see. Now similarly, Devakulika also, when he is entering, he sees Bharata who has similar akruti of that pratima. So he says, who this must be? Pravishya jnase. Then he enters and he says, Bharata, as soon as he enters, Bharata sees him and he offers salutation. Namostute. These are sanskara of Bharata. He is just entering Ayodhya, and when he sees Devakulika in that mandira, in that Devakula Pratima Gruha, he immediately says Namostute. See, this is how it is. Devakulika now says Na khalu pranamaha karya. He prevents him because Bharata was about to do pranama to those akrutis. So he says Na khalu. Twice, Dvirukti. Dvirukti is telling him strongly that do not do pranama. Na khalu, like na khalu banaha. I told you as in Shakuntala. So here also he says, please don't do pranama. Ma tavad bho, he says, why? Ma tavad bho. He says, why are you preventing me to salute them? Namaskartum mama na adhikaraha. If I offer my pranama to them, is it not adhikara? Is it not my adhikara? Why I can't do pranama to them? Vaktavyam kinchit asmasu. Vaktavyam is vachya. Is there any fault with me? Is there any fault with me? Kinchit asmasu vishishtaha, that means mattaha shreshtaha, kaschit pratipalyate kim? Or is someone superior to us being awaited? To what is this prohibition due? And then next he asks, King krutaha pratishedho ayam. Why is it, to what is this prohibition due? Is it your power? Niyama pratishedho ayam. Niyama prabhavishnuta. Is it your power to enforce certain rules to be observed here? To offer homage to the statues? So he says, Na khalu etaihi karanaihi. Na khalu etaihi karanaihi. He asks him, Atmagata taponusthana praudhikrutaha kim? Do you think niyama prabhavishnuta? It means bhavataha taponushthanena taponushthaneshu prabhavishnuta praudhihi. You are proud of your tapa, and that is why atmagata tapa anusthana praudhikrutaha kim? Are you preventing me? Are you prohibiting me from offering pranama because of that? Then Devakulika says, Na khalu etaihi karanaihi pratishedhayami bhavantam. I am not prohibiting you for this reason. Brahmana kintu Daivata Shankaya Brahmana Janasya Pranamam Pariharami. Devakulika thought Bharat was a Brahman. Bharat was a Brahmana. And Brahmana Kshatriya hi atra bhavantaha. These pratimas, they are of Kshatriyas. So Brahmana is considered as above Kshatriya. Kshatriya offers pranama to Brahmana, and Brahmana always give Ashirvachana to all others. So here Devakulika thought Bharat was a Brahmin, so he said, these are atra bhavantaha kshatriyaha. So do not offer pranama. When he says, evam kshatriyahi atra bhavantaha, atra ke nama atra bhavantaha. Now he suddenly feels happy that are they kshatriyas? Ke atha ke nama atra bhavantaha. What is their name? Devakulika says, Ikshvakavaha. They are Ikshvakavaha means they are Ikshvaku, they are born in Ikshvaku Vanshaha. Bharata is also born in Ikshvaku Vansha. So he feels, that is why, that is the reason he was feeling Manasi Praharshaha, he was feeling, it was because of that. These Pratimas and Bharata, they are from the same Ikshvaku Vansha. That was the reason. So he explains then, Brahmana Janasya Bhavantam Brahmanam Manyamanaha Aham iti Arthaha. Then Bharata says, Ete Saharsham Ikshvakavaha iti Ete te Ayodhya Bhartaraha. So Ete te, that means Ete Ikshvakavaha. Ye, now Ete te, the next verse is Ete te Daivatanam Asura Puravade Gachanti Abhisarim Ete te Shakraloke Sapurajanapada Yanti Swa Sukrutaihi. And he describes, these are the Ikshvakavahas. Now, are these those? These are, Ete te Devatanam Asura Puravadhe. Asura Puravadhe means Yuddhe. Devatanam Asura Puravadhe Abhisarim. Abhisarim, that is Sahayartham Abhigamanam. When there was a fight between Deva and Asura, they always, went forward. They always went ahead. Abhisarim, the act of marching along, Deva, and they went for their Sahayartham. For Sahayartham Abhigamanam. So that was Kachanti Abhisarim. Then Etete Swasukrutaihi Shakraloke Surapura Sapura Janapada Yanti. Ete te Swasukrutaihi Sapura Janapada Yanti. Shakraloke, they do always punya. Because of their punya, they always Shakraloke. Sapura Janapada. Here there is Rama. Sapura Janapada means Pura is city, country, and along with the people in that Nagara, along with them, they go to Indraloka because they have done so much punya. Rama is described to have taken people of Ayodhya with him when returning to heaven. That was it is in Raghuvamsha, 15th chapter, 101 and 102 verse. So Rama has taken, when he went to Swargaloka, he took all the Puravasinaha also along with him. So he says, Swasukrutaihi te Shakraloke sa Purajanapada yanti. They go to Shakraloke along with the Nagaravasin. Ete te prapnuvantaha swabhuja bala jitam krutsnam prusvasumatim. Now they swabhuja bala janitam swabhuja bala jitam. With their own bahubala, bhujabala, they have conquered Krutsnam Vasumatim Prapnuvantaha. Krutsnam Vasumatim, that is the whole earth. They are the kings of whole Prithvi. And that they have won with their Swabhuja Bala, their Swasya Bhujasya Balam. And then Etete Mrutyuna Ye Chiram Anavasita Chandam Mrugayata. Etete Ye Chandam Mrugayata, that is Ichham Anuvartamanena, Mrutyuna, that is Kalena, Chiram Bahukalam, Anavasitaha, Abhakshitaha. It is that the Kala, they are Ichhamarani. They are Ichhamarani. Chandam Rugayata, this shows that they were Ichhamaranaha. Death could approach them only when they wanted to die. That means as if the death took their permission to come near them. Yeah, like that. Chandam means Ichham. Mrutyu Vishayam Mrugayata Anvishyata. So they are Ichhamaranis. So Bhoho Yadruchaya Khalumaya Mahatphalam Asaditam. I got, special Yadruchaya. By chance, Swairagatya. Yadruchaya means Swairagatya Prathamam Pratimam Nirdishya as if like his wish, he got mahat phalam asaditam. Abhidhiyatam kastavad atra bhavan iti. Please tell me who these are. And then he points out to the first pratima. He points out to first pratima and asks him, Abhidhiyatam kastavad atra bhavan. Who is this one? Then Devakulika tells him, Sannihita sarvaratnasya vishwajitaha yajnasya pravartayita prajwalita dharma pradipaha dilipaha. He says, Ayam khalu tavat dilipaha. And how is Dilipa of Ikshvaku Vansha? He is Sannihita sarvaratnasya. Sannihitani, that is, whatever he had vitta, vaibhava, sannihitani vishwa vijayat sarvani ratnani. Sannihita sarvaratnasya. He had, lot of vaibhava. He had, enormous vipula vaibhava. Sarvaratnani. And how he got them? He had won all those ratnani while, Vishwa Vijaya. Vishwa Vijayat, he conquered all those, pradeshas, and he has earned so much ratnas, this sarva ratnani. Utkrushta dravyani yasmin, that is sarva ratnasya. Now he did Vishwajitaha Yajnasya Pravartayita. Vishwajitaha is a Yajna Vishesha. It's a kind of Yajna Vishesha, and Tasya Pravartayita. He, after conquering whole Prithvi, he, performed Vishwajit Nama Yajna. Prajwalita dharma pradipaha. Prajwalitaha satata pradiptaha dharma eva pradipaha. Tasya saha. Dharma parayana. Then dharma parayanaya dharma ekaha parayanam gatihi yasya. So after listening to this description of Dilipa, naturally Bharata is impressed and he says, Namo astu dharma parayanaya, dharma eka param ayanam yasya, dharma eka param ayanam gatihi yasya, saha dilipaha, tasmai namaha. Devakalika. Then the next one, Abhidhiyatam kastavad atra bhavan. He points to next one. He says, Ayam khalu tavat samveshana utthapana yoho aneka brahmana jana sahasra prayukta punyaha shabdaravaha raghuhu. Now he describes Raghu. I think Raghu was the most, a king, like, who had many virtues. So this Kavya is called Raghu Vansha. Dilipa was born before him. Dilipa, then Raghu, then Aja. But the Kavya is the title of that Mahakavya which Kalidasa has written has the title Raghu Vansha. So Raghu must be Parakrami. That is why his name is given to this Kavya. And how is he? Samveshana is Nidra. Utthapana tasmat prabodhanam. Getting up from the Nidra. Tatkale. Samveshana utthapanayoho aneka brahmana jana sahasra. so many Brahmana Janas, they were Prayukta Punyaha Shabdaravaha Raguhu. Punyaha means Punyaha Vachana. Punyaha Vachana is Ashirvachana. While when he went to sleep or when he woke up, at the time of his waking up, Aneka Brahmana Jana Sahasrasya. So many Brahmana Jana, Jana Sahasra Brahmana Jana, they had blessed him with Punyaha Shabda Ravaha, Punyaha Vachana, that is Ashirvachana. That was the way Raja was to be awakened. Not just, calling him or touching him or making loud noise. No. Raja was to be waken up with, those Vaitalika or Bhata, they used to stand outside his Shayana Kaksha near window and sing the Stuti Para Stavanas for the king in different tala, Vaitalikas, and different, way they used to sing. And by listening to those sound, listening to their stotra, stavanas, kings used to get up from their bed. So here when they were only stuti stotras, but here Raghu was awakened by punyaha vachana, by blessings from Sahasra Brahmanas. Savveshana utthapanayoho shayana velayam tatha utthapana velayam aneka brahmana jana sahasra prayuktaha, that is anekaihi brahmana jana sahasraihi prayuktaha krutaha punyaha mantra vachana shabdaravaha, punyaha mantra vachana shabdaravaha, punyaha mantra vachana dhvanihi yasya saha tatha bhutaha punyaha vachana mantra shabdaravaha yam shayanam jagratam va brahmanaha swasti vachanena samvardhayanti iti bhavaha. Now Bharata says, aho balavan mrutyuhu etam api raksham atikrantaha. Now balavan mrutyu, now such a, balavan mrutyu atikramya raghum praptaha. Ashirvachana shabda ravas were around him, and atikrantaha, tan atikramya, death approached Raghu. That is why he was, feeling surprised. Mrutyu etam api raksham, that was a kind of a raksha given to a king, Ashirvachana by Brahmana. Namo astu Brahmana jana vidita rajya falaya. He says, Namo astu Brahmana jana vidita rajya falaya. He had given his fala of his yajna to Brahmana. Brahmana, where did I leave it? He said, he who has offered his wealth for the service of Brahmanas. So he says, Namaha astu. Now he comes to next one. Abhidhiyatam kastavad atra bhavan. Now tell me, who is this next one? He says, Ayam khalu tavat priya viyoga nirveda parityakta rajya bharaha nitya avabhruta snana prashantaraja ajaha. He says now this is Aja. After Raghu, Aja. So how is Aja? He says, Priya Vinoda Nirveda परित्यक्त राज्यभारः नित्य अवभृत स्नान प्रशांत रजा अजः. Now Priya Viyoga Nirveda. Priyayaha, his Priya was Indumati. Priyayaha Indumatyaha, his queen, Viyogena, when she passed away, Nirvedaha, Viyogena, he became very sad and not interested in anything, viragi. Then Tena Parityakta, because of that, he Parityakta Rajabharo Yena, he left the kingdom. He was not interested in, looking after the kingdom. He was, disinterested in everything after his wife's death. And what he did, Nityaihi Yajna Dikshanta Abhishekaihi, all the time, Nityaihi Yajna Dikshanta Abhishekaihi Prashantam Prakshalitam Rajaha. That is, Raja has two meanings. Raja means dust, and also Raja means influence of Rajasa quality. Sattva, Raja and Tama, these are the qualities. Raja is Rajasa quality. Raja guno vikaraha yasya saha. So, he, Nityahi, all the time, always, after Priya Viyoga, Aja yielded to the influence of Rajasa quality, but it was shaken off by his constant performance of sacrifices. So he says, Namostu Shlaghaniya Paschatapaya. His Paschatapa was Shlaghaniya. He feels Shlaghaniya. Bhoho बहुमानव्य आक्षिप्तेन मनसा सुव्यक्तं न अवधारितं. Why he says that? Because after Aja, he comes to the next Pratima and he identifies, immediately. Dasharathasya Pratimam Avalokayan. He sees Dasharathasya Pratimam. And after seeing that, Paryakulo Bhutva, Paryakulo, he is Akula, his emotions, he couldn't control. Paryakulo, he became Paryakulo and asked him, Bhoho, Bahumanavyaakshiptena, you have told me so many, Bahumanaha Purusha Vishesheshu Adaraha. Bahumanaha Purusha Vishesheshu Adaraha Tena Vyakshiptam Anyato Nitam Maya Suvyaktam Na Avadharitam. Now these Purusha Visheshaha, they are so great that when you were describing them to me, I was, because of that, my mind was full of adara towards them and I was thinking about them, and so I did not, follow or did not get exactly who they are. So he avoids looking at, he was asking Devakulika one by one, who is this? Kastavad atra bhavan, kastavad atra bhavan, kastavad atra bhavan. Up to third statue he came, and after that he saw Dasharatha. But he did not ask him this question, who is this? Kastavad atra bhavan, he did not ask. That is the reason. He did not want to hear it because it was apriya to him. Because it was apriya, he did not want to hear it. So he avoids. This is Bhasa's expertise in reading the mind. See? He says, and he asks him, Abhidhiyatam kastavat atra bhavan. He points again to Dilipa. He says, Ayam Dilipaha. Okay. Pitru Pitamaho Maharajasya. Pitru Pitamaho, my Maharajasya grandfather. Tatas Tataha. Then he says, Atra Bhavan Raghu. This is Raghu. Pitamaha Maharajasya, my father's father. Okay. Tatas Tataha. Thereafter, he says, Atra Bhavan Ajaha. Pita Tatasya. Bharata says, Kimiti. Again he repeats. He has understood, but he repeats again. Ayam Dilipaha. Then Devakulika also tells him, Ayam Dilipaha, Ayam Raghuhu, Ayam Ajaha. Then he asks him a question. Bhavantam kinchit pruchhami dharmananam api pratimaha sthapyate. Those who are living, their pratimas are also sthapayate. Sthapyante? No. Devakulika says, Na khalu. Atikrantanam eva. Dharmananam means Jivatam, those who are living. And Atikrantanam means Mrutanam, those who are dead. Only their pratimas are Sthapyante. Na khalu Atikrantanam eva. Then he doesn't want to listen to Dasharatha's death. And he says, Te nahi apruchhe bhavantam. Okay, then I'll take your leave. Oh, Devakulika says, Tishtha. He says, and the next verse, Yena pranascha rajyamcha stri shulkharthe visarjitaha imam dasharathasya tvam pratimam kim na pruchhase. Why are you not asking about this Dasharathasya Pratima? Why are you not asking me this? That he describes Bharata's Pratima as Yena Pranascha Rajyamcha Yena iti. See, Stri Shulkarthe Vivahakale Bharya Pratishrutarte, that is Stri Shulkarte, Visarjita, that means Dattaha, Pranaha, Rajyamcha. Rajya and Prana both are given up for Stri Shulka by this Dasharatha. Imam Dasharathasya tvam pratimam kim na pruchhase. Here he realizes that his father is dead. He comes to know that his father is dead. First, when he sees the Pratima, he has little samshaya in his mind. So he asks him, Are you keeping here the Pratimas of live people also or only dead? Then Devakulika tells him about only dead people's Pratimas are kept here. Then he realizes. And now Devakulika, Spashtam tells him that this is Dasharatha and his Pratim. About him you are not asking. And then Bharata says, Ha tata. And he murchitaha patati. He loses his, balance, sort of, swoon. And but he controls himself. He controls himself and punah pratyagatya, again he comes back to his senses and says, Hrudaya bhava sakamam yat krute shankase tutvam shrunu pitru nidhanam tad gaccha dhairyam cha tavat sprushati tu yadi nicho mam ayam shulka shabdas tu athacha bhavati satyam tatra deho vishodhyaha. He says, Hrudaya bhava sakamam. Hrudaya, you take courage. you take courage. Yadi ayam nichaha yat krute shankase tvam. You are, you are scared or you are afraid that tava shankayaha safalatvam, what you were afraid of, that has happened, that you are listening. You come to know about the death of Dasharatha. Dasharatha's death, the news of Dasharatha's death is here. So this Shanka has become safala. Your scare, your bhaya is safala. That means it has come true. Dasharatha is dead. Yat krute tvam shankase tat pitru nidhanam pituhu maranam shrunu. And dhairyam cha tavat gaccha avalambasva ityarthaha. You shrunu pitru marana. And to listen to that, you must have courage. So he is telling Rudaya, you take courage. Yadi ayam nichaha tuchaha shulka shabdaha. He doesn't like that word shulka, because it is Vivaha Shulka and he knows what Vivaha Shulka is. So he says, Yadi ayam nichaha shulka shabdaha mam sprushati tu yadi nichaha mama ayam shulka shabdaha. If it touches me, mad vishayakaha syat, if it is regarding me, mat prerita mata mama rajya abhishekam prarthitavati iti syat. That is what he means. Ki if I am the cause of this, if my mother asks the rajya for me, then I have to mama deho vishodhyaha. I have to clean up my body, vishodhyaha. Agnidharanadi divyena nirdoshatam praptaitavya. Like Sita, when she had, this dosha and samshaya, from Puravasina, she did Agni Divya and she proved herself Shuddha. So here also he feels, if that Shulka Shabda is about me, that for my sake my mother has asked for Rajya, because he has come to know that Pranaha Rajyam cha tyakta. So that is why he says, if it is regarding me, then I have to clean up my body. Nirdoshatam praptaitavyaha. Then he says, Arya, he calls first time Devakulika, Arya, and then Devakulika says, Arya iti ikshvaku kula alapaha. Ikshvaku kulasya alapaha. Sagauravam amantranam. Ikshvaku kulas, they are saguna, sagauravam amantranam. So, kvachit Kaikeyi putro bharato bhavan nanu. Kaikeyaha Kaikeyi putra iti tu sadhiyaha. So because he is saying, he knows that Ram, Lakshmana, Bharata are not there. Ram, Lakshmana and are not there. So that means, is he Bharata? And he straight away asks him, are you Ikshvakul Kaikeyi putraha? Then Bharata is angry and he says, Athakim Dasharatha putro Bharataha asmi na Kaikeyaha. I am Dasharatha putra Bharata and not Kaikeyi putra Bharata. Seeing him in disturbed mood, Devakulika feels little awkward. He feels very awkward and he says, Tenahi apruchhe bhavantam. Now I will take leave of yours. And he starts going. Then Bharata says, Tishtha, wait. Shesham abhidhiyatam. Tell me the remaining things also. See, first time, Bharata did not want to listen to, listen about the death of Dasharatha. So, without, asking him, he tries to avoid it and he says, Te nahi apruche bhavantam, and he starts going. But now here, Devakulika has, disposed the truth that Dasharatha Putra, he comes to know that Dasharatha Putra Bharataha ayam Kaikeyi Putra, but he refuses to call him Kaikeyi Putra and he calls himself Dasharatha Putra. That means he is in a disturbed mood, and Devakulika feels that he is the reason for disturbing his mood, and he feels little awkward. Why did I tell him this? I should not have told him. So he feels little, awkward. And then he says, Te nahi apruche bhavantam. And now Bharata tells him, Tishtha, Shesham abhidhiyatam. And Bharata tells him, now you wait and tell me whatever is remaining. The mental bhavas, manasika bhavas, Bhasa has explained in such a beautiful way. Small sentences, there are no alankaras, nothing, small verses, and he expresses such a lot of meaning and bhavanas of human beings. We will see this, the deeper meaning in this next time when we meet, because there is still, much more to see and enjoy in this Pratima Gruha Prasanga. So we will do that next time, and now we will conclude here. Okay? Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.